It is clips subwoofer and regular receiver. Receiver, that one don't have woofer subwoofer connectors. What I did just took regular wires, connected like that one, regular wires, and make RCA plug connected to subwoofer. Here you can see it. It actually worked very good after that. Yeah, it works very good. Just regular wires, like going to any speaker, connect to RCA connector and get to your subwoofer. Don't need woofer connector on your receiver. Fast, nice and easy. Thank you for looking. Good luck.